Hey, good people. I'm getting ready to make a pallet buster. Since I'll be using my new retort to make more charcoal, and I'm always collecting used pallets and stuff that I see around. I use that as my fuel. So I'm getting ready to make a little pallet buster, something I can use to break apart those pallets real easily. So check it out. So I just got me a little template. I'm using some 1-inch steel tubing as my bar. I'm using some recycled bed frame as my angle iron. So I cut a piece of my tube, my 1-inch tube off. This is 7 inches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this to this T, and then I'm going to weld my tube, my longer tube, to this as my bar. I'm going to angle this at 10 degrees, and then I'm going to, as my jaws or my hooks that I hook under the pallet to break it, I'm going to cut another piece. I'm going to cut 2 more pieces of this old bed frame to use as my jaws or my teeth to break open the pallet, because this is like cold rolled steel. This stuff is really strong, so I like to use them anytime I can. And this other piece I'm going to use as a brace, as a stabilizer bar on the bottom of my rocket stove for the retort. So when I bring it back in, to kind of close up, seal up all my wells and get everything sealed up. Since it passed the test, I'm going to go ahead and finalize it. All right. And y'all have to excuse the lighting. Sun's shining bright outside, but I am in the garage. So what I want to do is get my little notch template that I made, and I'll put the description to the website, or a link to the website that I use to make this little notch, make this little template rather. Doesn't even look like it's the right size. I might need to go make a new one, because this isn't the right size. So let me get the actual dimensions of this tube. Well, it's like an inch. It's over an inch. That's for certain. It's like 1 1/16 look like. Or 11 millimeters. So let me go redo my template. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, this is much better. Let's get it up here. Move it. Instead of trying to hold it all on thing in my arm. There we go. Lined up right. Use a trusty little piece of masking tape. All right. Really need something. It's not quite black. I'm just gonna go. I'm going this way so that I won't mess up the paper. All right. Alrighty, let's get that cut out. I think I'm gonna etch over that with my steel marking pen with the carbide tip so that I won't lose my outline. All right, wonderful good people. There you have it. My DIY pallet buster. Slide it up under the pallets. Pop them up. I may have to just cut off a little bit of this wing on my angle iron, but for right now I'm getting ready to go test it out. There you have it, good people. A little bit of ingenuity, a little bit of know-how, some homeowner-based welding tools and other tools, and you can pretty much do anything you can dream up, draw up, design, and have the skills to build. So, listen, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be getting to other things outdoors. Like, I love fishing. I'm getting into hunting. Probably not the big game stuff, smaller game, but so listen, we all want to live in a better place, better world. We want this world to be the greatest it can be for our families, for our children, our loved ones, our friends. So do your part and treat people the way you want them to treat you, and not the way they treat you. All right? See you next time. Love that sideways.